Is this fast?
Oh, fine, yeah.
What's going on over there? I am
It feels like it's a train.
having fun.
Not sure yet, I don't think.
It's fun, believe me. Better than walking. It is. Don't better than walking.
Not sure yet.
Could have cut the deal.
Yeah, I said that.
What?
I said that, so did you?
Could have cut.
No.
Bobby Scofford.
The key.
I need the token off the cam in front to let us carry on. Yeah, we'll put it on the post and then we will carry on.
So there's no accidents.
Very simple way. Very simple way, but it's the same as on a lot of trains. Trains still do it now. So.
Yeah, the single track ones.
Single track lines.
Yeah.
Thank you.
the other way.
What are we doing?
Going down to the
No,
stop where we can get a good photo.
Did we go past the stop?
Yeah, let's go back to what we need to do.
What?
Oh, Luna.
The thing
Yes,
is
she's told you she's in
Yeah.
charge.
At the back, didn't
Do as you're told. Mother's missed out.
Yeah. Understandable though, with things. That's yourself off, isn't it?
That's rock quarry,
Ah,
not coal.
there's the one we.
They're for buildings and roads, stuff like that.
Yeah. The other one we want. I think we'll check out these open tops as I do like. Nice to have the breeze.
Lee told me about champions.
The little guy from next one comes out.
Yeah. The last one. Back on the little tramway thing. Thing on there. What you call a tram shed, isn't it? You know there's some
That's the
do you know there's still some
heritage. That one down there is a tram shed, isn't it?
well, South Yorkshire Transport Trust used to be at Tinsley Tram Sheds.
Yeah, I know it. Remember walking past it. Oh, dear.